Alrighty.
Well, they're going from that way. Well, that one doesn't look much better.
Coming through Ledge Point. One of the side tracks. Looks like the wind might be a bit too higher than what we thought. Simon's sitting there going, I told you so, without saying a word. I can sense it.
I didn't say shit. It'll have dropped by the time we get there.
Oh, you got no seatbelt. Doesn't matter. I don't think it's going to do anything. But hopefully, if it's still around that 12 to 13, might still be able to get a bait out. See how we go. Otherwise, we're both just fishing close. Got some good little bit of Hezza fillets and some Taylor frames. Still haven't bought any fish oil, and we're really running low on mullet. So I didn't buy a pack because I didn't have the bloody car. Normally I buy a pack when I'm at work.
Oh, cool.
So I've only got 2 mullets, but I've got bonito, fresh pack of bonito I got in Durian because all the mackie was gone.
We'll just catch a couple of Hezzas and use them as bait.
Or I do that.
We'll start on mullet and switch out to Hezzas once we catch a couple.
Yeah, I've got some old mullet to try and reuse now. Do I go this one? I believe I do.
Come out onto the beach and have 45 four-wheel drives parked there already.
Yeah. Especially in the spot where you want to go, so we might be running up the beach yet. So look at this.
It's just windswept. Windswept sand.
It does look rather lovely still. Hairy.
A few white caps, not too bad. This swell's low.
Yeah. It's supposed to be 1.8, doesn't look like it, does it?
If it is, it's flattening out. The horizon looks pretty flat.
Here's where we came last time. A bit of a dune. This is going to be quite the drop.
Steep. Nice and soft to come up through later. Maybe we find a different track to go home.
Yeah, maybe. Jeez, it's been eaten out though, eh?
Soft as
so there's the spot.
Soft as. Got right where those cray pots are.
Yeah. Okay, so the small line doesn't come all the way up here anyway, which is nice. At least it won't today. Oh! What was that? Yeah, bottom on! I haven't even been able to get another rod in the water yet.
I was gonna say, I wasn't even baited up, mate. Do you want to just hold your horses?
Oh, it's not running like a giant thinking. It's definitely got the place.
Oh, it's something with silver, mate.
Oh,
Saw a flash. Saw a flash of white. Oh, it's a baby snaps. Oh, it's about what, 40, yeah.
Could still be a nice pan-sized one.
What bait did you have on the bottom?
Just the bonito.
Yeah, okay. It's a nice little pinky, mate. Look at the colours. Beautiful fish. Oh, look at that. Oh, all right.
He's a beautiful pinky.
Look at
the colouring. Oh, he spends a lot of time on the reef, that one.
Nice.
That's a 43. Woo! Let's get you back in the drink, little buddy. 43. See you later, bud. There he goes. Are you on? Yep. So we're on again, boy? Yep. Oh, he's got some weight in him. He wants to pull, he's not head shaking, but this could be a wobby. Oh, he's big. Can't be a small snapper this time, surely. Oh, this could be a black ray or a wob. He's trying to pull me into the reef. It definitely feels wobbish. He's not running on me, but starting to get line back. Can you believe this, boy?
I'm just wondering, do you think I can try and get my drone over the top of it so if we can see the fish?
Oh, that'd be unbelievable. He's trying to pull me. This could be a mulloway, you know. Now he's starting to go. Now he's starting to go. This could be, I think it's a black ray, mate. Too much weight. Oh, this is going to be a long fight, man. Oh, I think he's come off. He's come off. this is another pink. We're getting closer. Can't see anything in the water, it's a bit dirty. Oh, other little bait fish just jumped out of the water around it. Gee, you're giving me a fuss if you're tiny, man. Looks like another pinky. Head shakes, but. Another 40 odd, I reckon. Oh, a little bit bigger maybe. A little bit bigger.
A little bit, you only just got him.
Oh yeah, I know. Yeah!
Just. Well done, dude. Nice fish.
Cheers, man. Woo!
We're off. Camera's on and we're off.
4 low.
What'd you put your tyres down to?
14, but I accidentally went 12 at the front.
Right. Lucky you got that extra big air compressor then.
Yep. Yeah, that extra 2 PSI is going to break the bank, isn't it? So this has come in a bit now, the water.
A little bit.
So
That stick was a fair way out before. Oh, speed. No way. No, not quick enough.
No, we have to go down. How's the down looking? Got it.
Yoo-hoo! Well done, dude.
Just.
As I said, across and then a little bit to the right and then, yeah.
Yeah, without that little bit of momentum in the end, you cooked.
Yep.